Welcome to this video. This is Financial Planning Tip episode 7 or part 7. So today I'm going to be talking about debt management. Now, if you have been following in previous episodes, I've talked about how you can pay off your debts in lesser time and all of that. But then in case you're having bulky debts, although I've also mentioned something relating to that, but then I need to talk about debt management. So it's basically this with you prioritizing paying off high interest debts, because there are several types of debts. There are good debts, there are bad debts. I don't know if I've talked about good debts and bad debts before, but if I've not talked about it, I'll make a video on it. You can also comment below if you want me to make video on good debts and bad debts. But then regardless, either it's a good debt or a bad debt, there are debts that has high interest rates. So you might actually get loans from your family, friends and loved ones which doesn't require interest. But then when you get loan from, let's say, palmpay or banks or something like that that has high interest rates, or maybe any other high interest loan, right, or debts that you might find yourself in. So prioritize paying off those high interest debts to save on interest payments, because basically if you don't start paying off those interests, it will start accumulating. If you start, and I've even talked about compound interest in one of my videos, and if you understand the concept of compound interest, your interest will start compounding, and as time goes on, you might even find out that the money you have to pay on interest is now more than the money that you borrowed. Probably you borrowed 100,000 naira and your interest has accumulated to 150,000 naira, 200,000 naira. So make sure that you are paying off high interest debts. No matter how little you are able to pay this month, next month, how often you can pay it, just make sure you are paying off high interest debts so that you can save on interest payments, so that all those interests will not keep accumulating, and make sure that you are not borrowing new debts, right? You're not borrowing new debts. I've mentioned something relating to paying off debts. So if you have not seen that particular video, I'm going to be pointing to it now. It's going to be showing on your screen at the moment. Make sure that you watch it. Make sure you actually watch it. And I'll see you in my next video on financial planning tip. Make sure you subscribe to this channel.
Subscribe to my channel
to your loved ones or anybody that you know is into financial circumstance, one financial circumstance or the other. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video.